In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom email in GoHighLevel. Setting up a custom email can really give your business a professional edge, making your communications not only look more polished, but also offering more flexibility and control over your messaging. To begin, you'll first want to create your business email account. This will serve as your foundation, so it's important to start with a reliable provider. Some popular options you might consider include Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, or Zoho Mail. Each of these platforms offers a variety of features tailored to business use, ensuring that you can maintain efficiency and security. For instance, a typical email address might be something like sales@yourcompany.com. Selecting an address that aligns with your company's identity is key. It projects an image of professionalism and instills greater confidence among your clients or customers. Once you've set up your business email, the next step is to set up a dedicated sending domain within GoHighLevel. To do this, you'll need to navigate through some settings. Start by opening GoHighLevel, and from there, you'll want to head over to the Settings section. Under Settings, you will find the Email Services option. Click on it, and you will see several choices. Look for Lead Connector Mail. This is where we'll be focusing our efforts to link your custom domain. Within Lead Connector Mail, open the Dedicated Domain and IP section. What you're aiming to do here is to connect your new custom email domain. Click the option that says Add Domain. This is where you'll specify your sending domain. A recommended format for your subdomain is to use something like mail.yourcompany.com. This subdomain is pivotal because it serves as the dedicated channel through which your emails will be sent. It helps not just in email deliverability, but also ensures your messages are not mistaken for potential spam by establishing a pathway directly from your own domain. The beauty of GoHighLevel is that it supports multiple sending domains. This means you can easily manage different domains for various purposes, whether it's for automated workflows, targeted campaigns, sending invoices, or even handling one-to-one emails. By setting up multiple sending domains, you can effectively compartmentalize and tailor your communication strategies to different segments of your business operations, thus optimizing your overall outreach strategy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your custom email in GoHighLevel. This straightforward configuration allows you to retain your unique brand identity across all business communications while maximizing email efficiency and deliverability within your operations. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you're now ready to elevate your business communications to the next level using GoHighLevel.